Explore the fascinating world of high-performance vehicles with How to Rebuild and Modify Edelbrock Carburetors. Authored by industry expert David Emanuel, this comprehensive guide, loaded with over 300 informative illustrations and diagrams, is a treasure trove of knowledge for every car enthusiast. It covers an extensive range of topics from understanding different carburetor types and their selection criteria, to their function, tuning, and modifications. Not just a technical manual, Emanuel takes readers on a captivating historical journey, tracing the evolution of Carter, AFB, and AVS since their acquisition by Edelbrock. This book offers a balanced mix of technical depth and historical context, making it an indispensable tool for anyone aiming to maximize their vehicle's performance. This enlightening read is now available at an unbeatable price of just $25.87. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turbocharge your mechanical prowess. Secure your copy today from Auto Parts for Less, your trusted global network of auto parts sellers.